All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our yet another very interesting video from Afri Careers. I'm your jobs navigator once again. And as you can see on your screen, I have very exciting news for you that is looking out to undertake an internship program. If you're looking out to gain hands-on experience, you want to build a very strong professional network while you're still pursuing your studies, look no further. Why? Because NSSF internship opportunity is now open. NSSF is National Social Security Fund of Uganda and is offering this incredible opportunity, especially for university students, to join its prestigious internship program. So I don't want you to even make another step away from this video. Stick around as I take you through the application process. I'll be talking about several things in this session, including about this opportunity. I'll be talking about the opportunity at NSSF. I'll be giving you reasons why you should strive to join the NSSF internship program. I'll be talking about the application process. I'll be talking about the deadline, how you're going to submit your application. And then I'll be giving you your next steps after this video. What should be your next steps? And then, of course, I'll crown it with the success tips for you to be able to join this very incredible program. This video is sponsored by Apex Tax and Accounting School, your trusted partners in the professional courses of CPA Uganda and the Certified Tax Advisor course. They have intakes in January, April, and July every year. If you are an aspiring professional accountant, you aspire to be an accountant, you want to practice accounting in Uganda, you should check out Apex Tax and Accounting School in conjunction with Harvest Training and Consultancy. The link is in the description box down below on the video. If you're watching from the YouTube channel, they have a seamless online registration procedure, easy registration, and if you're registering right now, you're going to get a 10% discount. Just talk to the administrators, and then you let them know that you got this information from a video, Afri Careers, so that you can get the 10% early discount, early bird discount. The exams, the CPA exams are done in May, August, and November, so you plan accordingly. Then if you want to do the Certified Tax Advisor course, the CTA, the exams are done twice in the year, in May and November. Get in touch with Apex Tax and Accounting School on the numbers on your screens right now, or you can visit their offices at Karl Marx Building, Office Suite D13. They're also informing you that they have the Tax Practitioners course, which has several intakes in there. They can get you information details using the numbers on your screen. If you want to start your own tax agency, tax consultancy, if you want to be your own boss, you want to file income tax returns, value-added tax returns, customs, if you want to know about taxes and you want to get those skills, get in touch with them. All right, of course, before I dive into our NSSF internship program opportunity, I want you to, go ahead and click on the subscription button. It is the only way you can support us. That's the only way. This video is free of charge. And of course, as I've mentioned, there are people that really go out there, they make the research, try to get your opportunities, screen them, and then bring them straight to you. So the only way you can support Apex and this entire program is by hitting that subscription button, sharing the video, commenting on the video, and ensuring that the video move to the next person. You know, in life, an opportunity that I land on and saturate it, trust me, I always get blessings. So if you want to get blessings in life, you always have to share. Sharing is caring. So share this video, make sure it moves as fast and as far as it can. So let us go to our post. We made a post regarding the NSSF career internship opportunity. And here we are saying that kickstart your career with NSSF internships 2025. Are you looking to gain hands-on experience and build a strong professional network while you're still pursuing your studies? Look no further. The NSSF internship program is available. It is open right now. The time you're watching this video, it is open. So they're offering an incredible opportunity for university students to join its prestigious internship program. So let us see what is all about this program. All right, very good question. What is the NSSF internship program? So the NSSF internship program is an arrangement by National Social Security Fund to bring on board those interested university students. If you really want to gain hands-on experience, you know, experience is very hard to get. I remember by the time you finish the university, different companies are going to be asking you for experience. So where do you get experience? You could be wondering. This is one of the windows that you can use to gain hands-on experience. Of course, you're going to indicate on your CV that I did my internship with NSSF. I did this, I did that. Of course, you brief your prospective employer on the skills that you gained. That would indicate that you really have what it takes to take on the job. And on top of that, the program will expose you to a very strong professional network while you're still even pursuing your studies. So it is really, really a very nice program. And you know, NSSF is not just a workplace, it is a community of exceptional talents coming together to aim high. Expect the best, and of course, you will succeed. Whether you are passionate about finance, human resources, whether you're in IT, whether you're in marketing or any other field, this is your chance to gain practical skills and valuable insights that will shape your journey. Why join the NSSF internship program? Very, very good question. Joining the NSSF internship program is going to expose you to two major things. One is the hands-on experience that is on high demand by today's employer. So you're going to gain practical, real-world experience in your field of study. At NSSF, interns are given the chance to work on meaningful projects that enhance their skills and knowledge. Then number two, the networking opportunities. You're going to connect and build relationships with seasoned professionals, mentors, and fellow interns. These connections can pave the way for future career prospects. So don't even think about it. Just submit your application to join the NSSF internship program. What is the application process? Very good question. NSSF will accept applications from students across all academic disciplines offered by recognized universities and tertiary institutions, as long as they are relevant and closely linked to the fund's core business. You are good to go. What is the selection process? Very good question. After the application process, shortlisted candidates will be notified via email about the date and the time for the online assessment. So you're going to do an online assessment. If you're shortlisted, you'll be doing an online assessment. Be sure to keep an eye on your inbox. So already they're going to test your ability to keep in touch with them, of course, to keep in touch with any other person, and they're going to be testing your ability to communicate quick and fast, the turnaround time. So make sure you keep on checking your inbox. Today, I know you're going to submit your application. Don't forget, those of you who want a CV, we can always make for you a CV for this particular process. The numbers are on your screens right now. Get in touch. It's only 30,000. Investing 30,000 will save you the embarrassment of making a fake, unreasonable CV. So don't look at the price, look at the value. Okay? Don't look at the price, look at what the 30,000 is going to do for you. What is the closing date? Well, the deadline for online applications is 31st of March 2025 at 5 p.m. Don't wait until the last minute. That's not very good. Apply right now and take your first step towards building a better future. How to apply? Very good question. To apply, you're going to click on the link in the description box down below this YouTube video, or you can come to our page. I'm going to leave the link. You click on this blue button, okay? You click on it, and then you're going to be taken to the application form. Make sure you provide the accurate and up-to-date credentials. So let us click on this together. So you're going to come to this link, click on this, and then the application form is going to pop up. This is your application form, officially from NSSF. Go ahead, put your email, your details, you click next, continue with the form, and then you submit. So it is as quick, fast, and easy, just like that. All right, no more waiting. A better life awaits you. NSSF believes in empowering the next generation of professionals, and big up on yourselves, NSSF, for these opportunities that you keep on coming. Join the NSSF program for your journey, gain invaluable experience, and be part of a community that strives for excellence. Don't miss out. Apply today and kickstart your career with NSSF. Of course, from us at Africa Careers, we wish you all the best. We have several jobs. For those watching and they have already bypassed this stage, we have several jobs. You can join our WhatsApp channel. The link is right here, the button. You can also check out the latest jobs, accounting jobs, administrator jobs, driving jobs, graduate training jobs, management jobs. So many. All job categories, you can make use of these links, and then you'll be taken to our website where you can explore more and more opportunities. Until our next video, I wish you all the best. Thank you.